I'm just switching things up today. I would be stopping at Marshall's to pick up some things, and I'm gonna show you guys some of the things that you can use to make your wheat butters beautiful. Some nice packaging that you can try here at Marshall's. Stay tuned. So just starting with the measuring cups. So I found this nice collection of measuring cups. You can use it to measure out your waxes, your oils. It just looks different and nice, not like the conventional stainless steel colors. It just looks different. I like to come to Marshall's. It's very close to my house, and the environment is very relaxing, and you can just shop for really nice trendy stuff. This is also something that you could use if you are sieving out some of your infusions, if you're using like hibiscus powder or some other herbs. It is a fine mesh sieve, and it is golden. I just like the color, it's different. So what I like about Marshall's that you just find different stuff. And here you have this golden colored measuring scale. You can use it to make sure that all your ingredients are of the right quantity and you're not using too much or too little. And my favorite section, the mason jars. So if you are the type that likes to give gifts this season, you can definitely stop by at Marshall's and grab some of these beautiful mason jars. You can get smaller ones and fill them up with butters or handmade waxes, candles. You can also put in some, not just candles, but you can also use this for whipped butters and handmade scrubs. I have a lot of videos on here about how you can make emulsified scrubs and simple scrubs for skin. You can just fill that up in these mason jars and give it as a gift. I hope you found this video useful, and it's just me changing things up. I found this really nice trendy collection of items that you can use to spruce up your handmade store or your handmade space, your handmade studio, just to make it look nice and more welcoming.